What's the deal, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Luke. Hope everybody's doing well. So you see me from the time lapse taking off my back panel over here that controls the brake light, reverse, turn signal. You didn't know from the time lapse I was freaking struggling to get this piece out. This goes under here. That is for the reverse light, and that is exactly what we're going to be changing today. But this is not just some ordinary bulb, you know, flashing a lot of lumens. This thing is a serious LED plug and play. Now, I'm the type of guy, I see a lot of videos on YouTube and I try to find a way to get something to help the community out. So normally these things would be like from like GTR Revolution, stuff like that. They're like $50, 55, 60 bucks. Got these on Amazon. They're like 35 bucks. Can't beat that shit with a stick. You know what I'm saying? They're 2400 lumens for the pair. So 1200 lumens per bulb. That's a lot. That's a lot of freaking lighting power, especially for a reverse light. And you definitely need it for something, especially for this truck. I definitely need it because my glass is, not supposed to say, but you know, my windows are pretty dark, so it helps. And totally plug and play CAN bus, 6 to 6500K xenon white. It is totally nice. As I said, CAN bus, so it's error free, which these trucks are super sensitive. Anybody with a Ram 1500 knows that. You put the wrong bulb in here, either it'll flicker and it'll come on the dash. It's freaking horrendous. So what you're gonna, this is super easy. All you're gonna be doing, you're literally plugging this portion into this portion. This right here has a universal rubber grommet that goes into the back portion right here, and that's it. So let's check it out. All right guys, so from the time lapse, that was super easy. This thing plugged in right here like a cinch, like super seamless. Click, little click. This OEM grommet is perfect. The only thing you need to do now, once you test your reverse lights, you just need to turn it to, depending on where the LEDs fire and reflect, to get the best light. So definitely, usually they fire pretty good from the sides, like when you turn it from the side. You'll see what I mean. All you got to do is turn it to the bottom and you'll see it turning in here, and it's all about the reflection that the housing inside gives off. And that's really it, guys. And this is the heat sink out here. Obviously all the heat that comes over here, it's not in the housing, it's gonna go down to the bottom of the truck, which is perfect. And that's it. Let's test this shit out. Guys, if you're doing this shit, put some sunglasses on. My daughter's helping me right now and I'm seeing like spots. This shit is freaking bright. Hold on a second. Gab, put it on, put the reverse on. So I'm literally just test fitting it right here. That shit is bright. Like so bright. Look at the comparison. Right now, I'm seeing like dark, like it's crazy. This shit, I know this shit is freaking yellow. But the comparison is insane. Can't wait to show you this shit later. All right guys, so after a good 10 minutes, my vision is back to normal. And I'm not just saying that, that shit is freaking bright. It's great. You can't beat that value for $35. And I'm pretty sure they make it for a lot of makes and models. These are especially the ones for the Dodge, guys. These are the Ram 1500 with the LED taillights with the 7440 bulb. So make sure you're getting the right bulb set for your application. You get what I'm saying? So guys, I'm just gonna put the other side on and then I'm gonna take you to tonight and we'll light this shit up. See ya. All right, guys, so we're back out here. We're about to show you now. It's pretty dark, so I'm about to show you these reverse lights. All right, start it up. Pull forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. All right, reverse. God damn. That is freaking right, man. Wow. Camera can't even catch this thing. But anyway, guys, you get the gist. Obviously, along with my light strip, for these reverse lights here, they're insane. Insane. Wow. Alright, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.